Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to create this makeup look for Eid. So this is going to be an Eid makeup tutorial for you guys. Before I start this video, let me tell you something that I'm not a makeup artist and I'm not a pro in this. I'm just learning. I'm still a beginning learner. So how much ever I know, I'm sharing it with you guys. But it may help you guys as well. So created this look, this eye as well as this makeup look. Before taking you guys through all the makeup process, I just want to share few tips to you guys. So before doing every makeup, skincare is must from the damage caused by makeup products. And the second tip is, before face is puffy and all, do use ice cubes to reduce the puffiness on your face. Tip 3 is, do not apply foundation on dry skin, because if you apply foundation on dry skin, mainly in summers, it will make your face cakey kind of thing. So don't apply makeup on your dry skin. So before applying any makeup, do apply moisturizer or any skincare product. And last but not least is, do start makeup with your eye makeup. Do base at the first. Both that eyeshadow dust will be coming all over face and it doesn't look nice. So now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first I started makeup with this phytonizing skincare kit. This skincare kit is best for all skin types and it is Korean skincare. As you all know that Korean skin is the best skin ever. I use this skincare daily on my face, not only before makeup but every day at night. So first I cleansed my face and then I used this serum and then I used this white toner cream just to make little whiter and the darker areas so that it doesn't look more dark. So as I said earlier that I'm going to start my makeup with eye makeup. So I'm concealing my under eyes as well as my eye. And at first I'm just using light color and making my eyes lighter shine, and after that I'm going to use the color which I'm going to wear, an outfit color. So I'm using green color here because my outfit is green in color. So I'm going to just take green color and merge over my eyes, and then I'm going to take one more color and add to it. So you're gonna see all the process over here. So done doing eyeshadows, now it's time for eyeliner. So I'm going to use only kajal and also a gel liner. So first I'm going to use kajal for the first time because I have never used, but I saw so many videos of using kajal, so I'm going to try this time with kajal. So I'm going to draw eyeliner and I'm going to use gel eyeliner for the wing. So let's do this now. So I'm going to draw wing with this liquid eyeliner over here. So as you can see, one eye is done. So now it's time to do another eye. So let's do this now. So finally both eye makeup is done now. So let's go to the face. So I started doing my face makeup by concealing all areas, like all the dark areas or wherever I have any spots or something or any acne. So I'm just going to hide it, and after concealing over all the face, I'm just going to do contour to my face. And I don't know why contouring is so much important. I should learn contouring better now. I don't know how to do it, so just I'm a beginner in that. So now I'm using K Beauty foundation over here. So it is the best foundation I have ever used. So every time I apply foundation in dotted form, but this time I wanted to try to apply it with brush. So I used with normal brush and I used to apply this with brush. So first time I tried it and liked it pretty much. And after applying foundation, I'm just using blender and blending it properly all over my face. And I like this foundation because it's not too much heavy coverage, but it looks so good and it doesn't feel that sticky feeling which when we apply from the Fit Me foundation. Of course, it's an Indian outfit and kajal is so much important to get ready. So I'm using kajal over here. And also guys, I'm going to apply eyeshadow on my under eyes as well, like beyond the kajal like this because it looks very pretty. So I'm just applying eyeliner. And finally base is done. And also guys, I'm so sorry for the background noises. It's Ramzan and there's lot of shopping going on in our street. And after doing full base, I used mascara on eyes and I'm using cheek tint over here. Cheek tint looks so pretty on the cheek, so I use cheek tint. And also guys, I don't have a highlighter with me to highlight my face and nose, so I'm just using eyeshadow palette with this highlighter brush. I'm just highlighting my nose. And here I'm using lip balm because if we apply directly lipstick, it doesn't look good, so if we have to moisturize our lips as well, so I'm using lip balm. And after that, I'm going to mix all the lipsticks and I'm going to create a shade. And I like red color shade or nude color shade on the Indian outfit. It looks so pretty, so here it is. And finally I'm done with the makeup. I like makeup to be simple and elegant, so I just love this.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you
Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys like this makeup look. I'm just in love with this makeup look, and this is not my Eid outfit. I just wanted to share makeup tutorial before Eid, so I'm filming this video. If you have any tips regarding makeup, do let me know in comment section. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, bye bye, take care.